on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping in, my name is Ken and this is Speed Addict 731. We are headed out to Jackson Dragway tonight to get some passes in. You gonna let her eat a little more this time?
Yeah, I watched it at 3,000 just see how it feel.
Yeah.
But I'm probably gonna do about 4.5.
All right. GoPro.
I need to find.
What's going on, guys?
Ladies and gentlemen, Ken here, Caleb, and Lane, and me.
I'm just ran record this one.
An 813. Yeah, not bad for slicks the first time.
Tell him, guys, he just needs ascending.
I think so.
It is.
Yeah. I'm just playing with it.
D8 could actually be high. It's really humid out with these storms rolling in, so.
Yeah, it's freaking hot as hell. I'm over here sweating like a billy goat, y'all.
I'm gonna get a video of this car for you real quick.
Alright. What'd you run, Ken?
It's hot out. 846.
At what
190, 460 foot.
Me and you.
All right, we're going to. You want to?
Yeah, let's get it.
Let me cool off for a second. We'll do it.
He ain't ready. I want to gap the shit out of his ass.
As you run into his car.
Look, in a few months, in a few weeks, he's gonna gap the shit out of me. All right, y'all, we about to make this pass. We're gonna see how it does. Last pass was an 813, so hopefully I can get in the high sevens. That's the goal, to get in the high sevens tonight. If I gotta break some shit, I'm gonna break it. I can't do that. I got David.
Alright guys, we was at the track last night. Unfortunately, the weather did not hold out. It started raining on us, so we had to get the tires changed out on the gray car you seen in the video, and then we had to get out of there. So the gray car in the video is a friend of mine, Phillip. 16 GT, little exhaust, Lund flex fuel tune, 355 gear car, MT82. Runs pretty good. Last night wasn't the ideal conditions to try to be getting a best pass due to the humidity and everything else, but nonetheless we were out there having fun. It was his first time on slick, so he was trying to get the launch figured out and get everything done. He is on stock axles, so he wasn't trying to break an axle. But next Friday the weather is looking better, so if the weather is better, I will be back out at the track, because I'm wanting to get a good pass in to see what the difference between now and after I put on the part. The part I'm putting on should wake this car up a lot. You will see. But hoping that will be here next week. I called yesterday to where I ordered the parts. They said that it should have shipped out yesterday. I haven't got a shipping confirmation yet, but I suppose I'll get that Tuesday, hoping that it will be here next week. If so, next Saturday and Sunday I will be installing the part. Stay tuned for that. I will make a video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.